always say that hospitals don't have supply chain issues because their distributors send them everything they need within hours of placing that order. Supply chain refers to all of the people ahead of the product that I'm ordering. And ultimately, to manage that supply chain, it's really making sure that the goods end up on my doorstep at the time that I need them, especially if I'm doing just-in-time inventory. We have inventory problems and all the related issues that come along with those inventory problems, starting with stockouts. So when you take a look at everything that a stockout causes, from inventory hoarding, because if I'm a nurse and I have to go tell a physician that I ran out of something, I know there's going to be a lot of blowback come my way for that. So I'm going to make sure I never run out of it again. And then I'm going to go order it whatever way I think I'm going to get it the fastest, which might not conform with the way purchasing would like me to be able to buy that. We call that maverick spending. And then I get waste that comes with that because I have all of these products that are in front of me that expire because I have too many of them. So when we look at having to cut our budgets and we look at the supply chain to be able to do that, it's really inventory problems that we're out trying to solve. And so looking at not worrying about supply chain per se, but I just need to know how much product I use, how fast, how long does it take me to get it from my vendor, and how many times a month or a week do I want to order it. That will tell me how much inventory I need to have on hand. But shockingly, most people can't get access to that data. So if I'm going to look to supply chain, which according to research I've seen, anywhere from 30 to 40% of the C-suite that's out there today is looking at their supply chain people and saying, solve my budget problems for me. I need to look at it realistically. And realistically means, do I have access to the information that I need to make the proper inventory decisions, not get all tied up in supply chain type things, really just looking at the inventory and what can I do to eliminate stockouts that have the ripple effect that ultimately end up costing me tens of thousands of dollars in small hospitals to millions of dollars in large hospitals.